You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
In a development that has captured international attention, the West African nation of Liberia has agreed to accept Kilmar Abrego Garcia, following a formal request from the United States. This decision was announced on Friday, October 24, 2025, and comes amid a long and complicated legal and immigration saga surrounding Abrego Garcia, a Salvadoran national who has been at the center of U.S. deportation efforts for months. Abrego Garcia had been living in Maryland with his wife and children when he was wrongly deported to El Salvador in March, despite a 2019 court order that barred his removal due to concerns over potential persecution by local gangs. The Trump administration had alleged that he was affiliated with the criminal gang MS-13, a claim strongly denied by his family and legal team. After months of legal battles, he was returned to the U.S. in June to face human smuggling charges in Tennessee, to which he has pleaded not guilty. As the Department of Homeland Security continued to seek his deportation, multiple countries, including Ghana, Uganda, and Eswatini, were considered as potential destinations, but none agreed to accept him. In its latest filing, the U.S. Justice Department indicated that Liberia had provided diplomatic assurances regarding his treatment, and that final arrangements were being made to facilitate his removal, expected as early as October 31. Liberia's government emphasized that Abrego Garcia will be received strictly on humanitarian and temporary grounds. Extensive consultations were held with both national and international stakeholders before reaching this decision, reflecting Liberia's commitment to human dignity, international solidarity, and compassion. According to the press release, Liberia will conduct comprehensive security screenings, respect due process and human rights, and ensure that Abrego Garcia is not returned to any country where he may face persecution or harm. Coordination with international partners, including the United Nations, will also be part of the process to explore lawful and sustainable solutions. Abrego Garcia's attorney, Simon Sandoval Moshenberg, criticized the move, saying it appeared designed to inflict maximum hardship on his client. He noted that Costa Rica, which has offered to grant Abrego Garcia refugee status, remains a lawful and viable option that the U.S. could pursue instead. Meanwhile, U.S. District Judge Paula Shinis has prohibited Abrego Garcia's removal, while his ongoing challenge to detention and deportation efforts continues. The judge's intervention underscores the legal complexity of the case, highlighting the tension between immigration enforcement and individual rights. Liberia's decision, however, underscores the country's historic role as a safe haven and its continued commitment to humanitarian principles. As one of Africa's oldest republics, Liberia has long extended protection to those in need, and its agreement to accept Abrego Garcia reaffirms its place as a responsible member of the international community, committed to justice, humane treatment, and international cooperation. This case continues to unfold, illustrating the intersection of immigration law, human rights, and diplomacy on a global scale, and raising critical questions about the treatment of vulnerable individuals within the U.S. immigration system. Stay subscribed for more videos.